Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need the game updated and either the currency or level to unlock wraps. Once ready, go straight to Garage and select the vehicle you want to modify. Open the Paint and Wrap menu. This is where you'll begin applying colors and selecting templates. Make sure you save any current preset first so you can revert. As soon as the editor loads, pick a base paint and prepare to add layers and decals. Now you focus on execution. Choose a base paint and add a secondary or metallic finish to give depth. Next, enter decal mode and place your first sticker. Scale and rotate it until alignment matches vehicle contours, then lock that layer. Repeat for additional decals, using opacity to blend. Once decals are set, tweak material properties like gloss, matte, and reflection to match lighting. Remember to save incremental presets. You'll want to revert or iterate without losing progress. Finish by saving the wrap under a clear preset name and export or equip it for matches. Then test the vehicle in free drive or a replay to inspect seams, reflections, and color behavior under different lighting. If you spot seams or misaligned decals, undo one step, reset the specific layer, and realign using snap or grid tools. Re-import the decal if needed. If colors look off, check gamma or game HDR settings, make small adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.